0.6 degrees C this morning. So we have beautiful blue skies and sun, but we also have a lot of frost, mainly where I've put down the donkey manure, donkey and sheep manure. You can see all of this. All of this here was freshly put down last week. Over here, even though this is sort of under a cover and shielded by the Earthship, we've still got all this frosty ground here. I'll walk you up to the paddock, show you. So, this is the first year in 6 years of living in the Earthship since 2014. So look at this, it's actually quite a hard frost. Going close, you can see it's quite a hard frost. Yes, anyway, we've been living in the Earthship for 6 years. That's 6 winters, and this is the first winter that the Earthship has got down below 15 degrees C. Can you see here where we did the swales, where the sun has warmed it, but on the other side that's still got lots of frost on the top. So sheep are having their breakfast. This is these were the piles. I cleaned out the paddock last week. We cleaned out the paddock last week. But you can see that because this is now shielded from the warmth of the ground temperature, we've now got a frost on it. And this I did before Christmas, and it's all got frost, which means that this is a time. It does mean that the roots of the plant are protected to a degree, because there's the the manure, as well as adding insulation and sort of a mulch, also keeps the plant's roots, keeps the temperature in, the warmth in, as well as keeping the cold out. So, oh, barely a breeze this morning. It's a beautiful morning, if a tad on the chilly side. You can see in the distance there the mountains with snow on. That bit there, the little white peaky bit, that's the observatory, Calo Alto Observatory. That's in snow now. It normally is one of the first ones to get snow on it, because obviously it's so high. I don't know if you can see actually. Oh, here we are. This range, mountain range, is the start of the Sierra Nevadas, and that's got snow on it now. Donkey hurt her leg yesterday. She's in there eating at the moment, but I think she was running around her paddock, and because we've had so much rain, the paddock's got really muddy, and I think she sunk and twisted her ankle. There's a bit of swelling, so mad phone around all the vets to see who could sort out equines, and we've got some anti-inflammatories and some painkiller for her. But I'll take you in there, and we can say good morning to them. So we're in the paddock. Sorry, my phone ran out. Here's our donkey. Hello, darling. How are you this morning? My poor poppet. Come here, my darling. Oh, precious. So, this little leg here, it's got a horrible sprain on it.